The community center itself is an underutilized facility, and we've begun to kind of find ways to bring people here and share with the community.
They're all gone now. It's got some kind of a net. My second